In this video we take you to a journey to Ras Al Khaimah, an emirate north of Dubai, and show you an awesome beach resort. The perfect place to relax. It's coming up. Ras Al Khaimah is an emirate only an hour's drive from Dubai and offers some very beautiful spots. The Hilton Ras Al Khaimah beach resort is one of them. You get impressed first in the arrival area with all those waterfalls, and second in the lobby. And while we waited for our room to be ready, we had our first drinks here at the bar, only one of several bars on the property. We've been here back in May 2021 and it was a fantastic and relaxing stay, so we already plan our next visit here. The main building is already incredibly large and we received a room at the far end, which takes you quite some time to walk. The upgrade to a family executive suite was awesome, so let's have a look. This suite consists of two large rooms covering 79 square meters or 849 square feet, and we were welcomed with a large fruit selection. The design is probably not the most fanciest I've seen, but it has some nice details. The bedroom is spacious and already a nice beginning. But let's move on to the bathroom, with a bathtub, a rain shower and two sinks. The bathroom, particularly with the Arabic door design, is an eye-catcher definitely. But wait, that's not all. There is also a nice living area with bottles of water, a coffee machine and plenty of space to relax. In the description of the suite it says sea or city view, although I guess that you always get a glimpse on the sea. I'll show you what I mean when we go out on the balcony. While our suite was facing the interior of the hotel, there is an identical suite on the other side facing the city. However, this terrace, which is almost the size of a football field, is also facing the seaside. And this you will see from both suites. In the evening we stood there simply for watching this beautiful sunset. But let's walk around and get some impressions on this huge property. The central pool area is everything but not boring, and you don't get the feeling that it can get crowded here, as there is plenty of space around the pool and of course a lot of space along the beach. There are several different spots to sit or lay down and several bars on the way. Additionally, the hotel doesn't consist only of the main building, but also offers more modern villas along the path with more privacy. Maybe we get a chance to see those next time? If you made it to the other end of the property, you get rewarded with a fantastic view and get again a feeling on the distances. To walk from one end to the other it took us something between 10 to 15 minutes. Bike is available of course if you don't want to walk that distance. I honestly don't know what we did to deserve this table decoration on our first night in Piacere da Gustare, the Italian restaurant. My best guess would be somebody else booked that and cancelled the last moment. But no complaints here. It was wow! And so was the food. There are plenty of options for food. Besides the Italian restaurant here and the main restaurant for half-board guests, you can also have in-room dining of course. Breakfast was served in the kitchen, the all-day restaurant, and had a very large selection throughout the room. But if you want to have breakfast more relaxed, Villa and Diamond status guests can also enjoy their breakfast on the other side of the property at Al Maeda, the Lebanese-inspired restaurant, where we also had a great dinner one evening. Very calm and nice over here. And if you prefer a Latin restaurant, Vida Churrascaria and Arriba Bar is the place of choice. But let's come to the conclusion. For the Hilton Ras Al Khaimah Beach Resort, we award 5 out of 5 diamonds. And as I said, the next day is already booked. See you out there. Your Alex from GajaDreams.com.